Hey guys, in today's video I'm making a geometric chocolate heart, also known as a breakable heart. Start by melting your chocolate. Here I'm using black candy melts. Make sure that your mold is clean and dried completely. Pour some chocolate into the mold and work it around the entire heart, making sure to get it to the edge completely. You can see here that I used my mini spatula to help the chocolate get to the very edge. Pour out the excess chocolate, use a spatula or knife to clean up the edge, and then chill until the chocolate is hardened. Now it's time for the second coat. You want to use a spoon or a brush and focus on the edge, where the most trouble happens. Make sure the corners are coated completely and do the bottom again as well. Let this harden in the fridge for a good 15 minutes or so. While the chocolate heart is in the fridge, I dipped some marshmallows in some chocolate and sprinkled them with some pink sugar for the gift box. When your heart is chilled, work at removing the edge of the mold first. Slowly and carefully pull the mold away from the chocolate. You will see if any of the edge is too thin and breaking. Don't worry, add more chocolate to that area and let it harden again. When you know your edge is sturdy enough, carefully remove the mold off of the chocolate. This part is really scary, but you got this. Once your chocolate heart is out of the mold, place it on wax paper. You can leave it like this or you can decorate it. I decided to do a simple chocolate drizzle on the upper corner and add some sugar sprinkles. Let the chocolate harden after you apply the sprinkles. For under the chocolate heart, I have some Valentine's cookies and some red candy, and then I'm going to use some treat bags to package the cookies and dipped marshmallows. To package the heart, I used a gift box and some pink crinkle paper. When I went to pick up the heart, the drizzle on the wax paper was stuck onto the side of the heart. No worries, if this happens, just warm up a knife and melt the drizzle off the bottom of the heart. Just make sure there's no water on the knife because chocolate and water do not mix. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. On this channel, I make all sorts of goodies and treats, so don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss the next video.